Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, we're still laid up. Got an appointment tomorrow morning, so that's a plus. I went out to pre-fish in a tournament here. I go out now when I'm pre-fishing. I'll go out and do a couple hours here and there in different areas. I'm not going to go beat up a lake for 10 hours at a time now. I learned my lesson. So, anyway, little did I know I would not be fishing in this event. So it was kind of a moot point, but we caught some good ones and, learned a little bit about the lake that day. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, we're getting back in the saddle. I've had enough of a break. All right, like I said, I got just a couple hours. We are gonna go hit some shady areas. We're looking for some topwater fish. I got several examples. I got a frog, I got a popper frog. I got two different kinds of whopper ploppers. What else do we got? Oh, of course, we got the deadly MJB Ghost Walker. I can't wait. We are gonna hit this bank here real quick and see what happens. It's gonna be kind of a run and gun deal. We're gonna hit shady banks and there's a couple sunny spots we're gonna hit that might surprise you. Big fish. Oh my, we've been out here for 5 minutes. I'd say we're off to a shebang. Whew, child. 4, 7, and 5/8. That's a big fish. I'd like to get a measurement. 20 inches. 20 inches. Go home. That was awesome. Unfortunately, he's too small. We're gonna only measure fish over 12, but he was exciting. Thanks for playing. Good one. Oh, got him. There's another medium one here, you guys. That's a good one. So we got a 4, 7. And we'll see what this guy yields. I'm feeling 2.5 though. He's chubby. Here we'll measure him 2.7. 2.7. Alright, so I'm gonna measure him for length. Ooh, 15 inches out here at Tiny Como. Look how small that tail is. Alright, we got 2. I got about 40 minutes left. That's some good ones, you guys. I think that one I just caught either has a friend or he's very hungry.
You would have measured it.
A lot of people ask me, why do you throw this there? Why do you throw that there? Real quickly, popper frog, I'm going to throw on any matted situation or a situation that has water around timber. I'm going to throw it with no weeds on top of the water. Frog, primarily, I'm throwing it with grass and muck on top. Very seldom will you see me throw a frog where there's no vegetation. Just a standard frog. Whopper ploppers, they work great in open water and water where there's no grass. Like there's a lot. If you watch me where I'm throwing frogs, sometimes you'll look and go, well, it doesn't look grassy. Honestly, what you can't see is about that far under the water. It's just pure muck. And if you cast something heavy like a whopper plopper or a buzzbait or any other heavy top water, as soon as it slams onto the water, those hooks go right into that stuff, and you're reeling in 8 pounds of hydrilla and what have you. So there's a place for all this. For me, like if you see where I'm fishing on these muck edges, I will throw a whopper plopper just outside that muck edge along it, and those fish will come out of there and attack. So that's when I'll use stuff like that, same as a walking bait. The real key to what's going on here is these fish, for the most part, are right against the shoreline. You're better off casting your bait onto the shore and kind of just pulling it back until it gets in the water. Some of these fish pick up my bait in water that deep. So it's just something, it's food for thought, and then the other stuff, like the moving baits and stuff, I'll throw it where I'm not going to get weeds on it. The minute you get weeds on your baits, they don't perform right, and the fish, for some reason, just don't like it. And that's kind of the where, when, and how of why I throw those particular topwater baits. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you real soon. It is 100 degrees out. They say topwater doesn't work in the heat of the day. They are liars. 100%. It works.